Hello everyone from Sandmax. Here we are with my last DIY project, fat bike project. This is something I started with last year, but I was put it in a standby and now is almost finished. This is a bike I paint, also the fork I painted. It was a no paint fork, and I project and assemble this. I don't buy the bike like this, but I buy only the frame, and I make build the wheel because the boost is here is very huge, and I project this kind of interesting bike. I call her Gobi Desert. I have these huge tires in the front. You see, very good for sands off-road, very nice. And also I have this sensor SRX Pro, 11 speed. In the front we have MPX11, so is for sensor 11 speed, and we can check the brand. Yes, the brand is say, okay. 1142, 11 speed. In the front we have 30 teeth. Okay, we can go to the brakes. The brakes is always the Zoom X-Tech. As you know, I like so much this brake. They are cheap, and for the money they are very good. Okay, especially if you use the bicycle not for racing but for commuting and also touring. But if you tour with this, it's better you take one brakes or two brakes. If you make a very big tour, two brakes spare parts. Okay, so if you broke something in the brakes, you can exchange it. Very simple. Okay, and they are hybrid, of course, brakes, and the brakes really well. Now we have here the Satoru Yukon. Satoru Yukon is kind of size cheaper, good cheaper. It's very nice for this kind of bike. You have the very good aero, and also a very good grip in off-road when you go down. And with this, because this you can have a regulation screw here, so you can regulate the distance, and with this way you can grip in the larger way of the handlebar, and you can also use the command and the brakes. Very nice. So the stem is a deck stem chrome. We have some titanium here, spacer. We have here this Uno seat post is very nice and very good for regulation, because it's very easy to install the saddle, at least, and it's also very easy to put it, to regulate it in a straight way perfectly. We have this basket behind with these two bags. They are practically photographic bags, but they are waterproof. So no, they are not waterproof, but they are water resistant. So it's okay for make a trip, also, and for commuting. If you have things you are very worried they getting wet, you put them in a plastic bag and you will be safe. Okay, so you see the wood pedal from Rock Bros. They are very nice. They are lightweight also, and they work really well. So if you like this bike, someone maybe ask what is this. This is I wanted to put something color, but this is also, the turn signal. Soon I will put other things here and stickers of the desert maybe. And this, someone told me, what is this? This is the handle to handle the bike. I'm joking. This is a decoration made from This is the tape for tennis racket, you know? Yeah. And I like it so much. Yes. So, please, guys, I say you hello and have a very good day from this fantastic, very nice park here in Geneva. And over there we have a very nice temple, Taoist temple with a nice dragon and phoenix sculpture. Yeah. See you next time from Sandmax.